Welcome back to my channel. Revved Up Ride. The Moto Guzzi V85 evocative is a motorcycle designed for adventure, combining classic Italian styling with modern touring capabilities. While this machine is built to take on long journeys, adding the Puig Touring Screen can significantly enhance both comfort and functionality, making it a must-have upgrade for riders looking to maximize their experience. Improved aerodynamics and wind protection. One of the biggest advantages of the Puig Touring Screen is its ability to reduce wind resistance and turbulence. The V85 evocative stock windscreen offers decent protection, but for extended highway rides or high-speed cruising, the Puig Touring Screen provides a noticeable improvement. Its taller and wider design helps to channel airflow more efficiently, reducing helmet buffeting and rider fatigue over long distances. Premium build quality and design. Puig is known for manufacturing high-quality motorcycle accessories, and the touring screen for the Moto Guzzi V85 evocative is no exception. Crafted from durable, impact-resistant acrylic, this windscreen is built to withstand harsh weather conditions and debris from the road. It maintains the sleek aesthetics of the V85 while offering a more substantial wind deflection. Enhanced comfort for long rides. Long-distance touring riders will appreciate the comfort benefits provided by the Puig Touring Screen. By minimizing wind pressure on the chest and head, it allows for a more relaxed riding posture, reducing strain on the neck and shoulders. Whether you're commuting or exploring remote landscapes, this screen ensures a smoother ride. Easy installation and compatibility. Designed for a hassle-free installation, the Puig Touring Screen seamlessly fits the Moto Guzzi V85 evocative. With its precise mounting system, riders can install it without requiring extensive modifications. For those seeking improved aerodynamics, durability, and comfort, the Puig Touring Screen is an excellent investment for the Moto Guzzi V85 evocative. Experience the road with enhanced protection and style. I've written an article on the Puig Touring Screen for the Moto Guzzi V85 evocative, highlighting its benefits in aerodynamics, comfort, and ease of installation. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.